Good day, my people. Good day to you, my honorable and dear listener. I want you to take your time to peruse through this document. This document was documented since 2nd February 1835, and it was an address by their Lord Macauley to the British Parliament. He said, "I have traveled across the length and breadth of Africa. I have not seen one person who is a beggar, who is a thief. Such wealth I have seen in this country, such high moral values, people of such caliber, that I do not think we would ever conquer this country unless we break the very backbone of this nation, which is her spiritual and cultural heritage. And therefore, I propose that we replace her old and ancient education system." This place means that we have education system that is already working before the missionaries. So if anybody say that missionaries brought education to us, that person is a liar. Her culture, for if the Africans think that all that is foreign and English is good and greater than their own, they will lose their self-esteem, their native culture, and they will become what we want them, a truly dominated nation. Of course, this is the result of what we are seeing. Everything penned down here is exactly what was programmed against Africans, especially we the Igbos. They penetrated to the extent they mess up with our studies, our education system, impose their own on us, and as well impose their culture. Igbo, binye nola, tete nola. How long should we be subjected to modern day slavery, even in a time like this? Let this document be an eye-opener to you who is claiming otherwise. This is Ezume's Royal TV. Ndewon.